Some bath oils that you buy or even see in DIY recipes are really just blends of oils that contain high amounts of essential oils that float on top of your bath water. And that means that the essential oils in those bath oils don't disperse properly and they end up sitting in concentrated form against your skin. Now this matters because essential oils are incredibly potent. They're packed full of plant chemicals. For example, a single drop of rose essential oil can contain the equivalent of dozens of rose petals worth of chemical compounds. So if you soak in a bath with undiluted essential oils floating on top of the water, you risk irritating or even sensitizing your skin over time. Luckily, there's an alternative. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bath oil that turns to milk as soon as it comes into contact with the water. It contains skin-loving ingredients like castor and plum oils for deep nourishment, plus an amazing plant called Gromwell root, which gives the bath oil this incredible, naturally vibrant red colour. How cool is that? It's eye-catching in the bottle and even more impressive in the bath. And it's safe to use, unlike so many other bath oils. This isn't just a treat for yourself, it's perfect for gifting, especially with that stunning red colour. Now imagine giving these as thoughtful Christmas presents or housewarming gifts or a little luxury for your own bath ritual. And the best part is it's genuinely simple. No lab or chemistry degree required, just a few beautiful plant-based ingredients, one very special ingredient that turns your oil into a milk when it touches the water, and about 10 minutes of your time, and the satisfaction of creating something that feels professional and could even be sold in a high-end store. I'm Lorraine, the CEO of Formula Botanica, and we're the world's leading online organic cosmetic formulation school. We're going to guide you step by step, so let's get started. Let's first make sure you have everything you need. Now, you don't need any fancy equipment, just the basics. So you're going to need scales for accurate measurements. These are super easy to find and cost about $10 on Amazon. You'll need a glass beaker or any mixing container. You'll need a glass rod or a spoon for gentle stirring, and ideally some pipettes to very precisely add your ingredients. But you can also just be super careful in how you pour and weigh your ingredients if you don't have any pipettes. You'll also need gloves and an apron for clean, safe work. That's really all there is to it. So if you've got these tools and you've washed your hands and tied your hair back and you've got a clean workspace, then you are good to go. Good hygiene is essential for making a safe and stable formulation that you can be proud of, but it doesn't have to be complicated. So let's get started making 250 grams of our luxurious blooming bath oil. First, measure out 87 grams of castor oil. Now notice how thick and glossy it is. It pours slowly, it feels almost syrupy, right? Castor oil is often also used in lip gloss for that very reason. That richness is what makes it so moisturizing in the bath, leaving your skin feeling soft and conditioned after you soak. Next, you'll need 80 grams of fractionated coconut oil. This is simply a fraction of coconut oil that's been refined to keep only the lightest, silkiest part. That means it's beautifully clear, fast absorbing and non-greasy. It helps balance the richer castor oil in our blends so that your skin feels soft and moisturized after the bath without any oily residue. It's one of those gentle coconut-derived ingredients that gives your bath oil a truly luxurious professional finish. Now for our magic ingredient, 50 grams of Polyglyceryl-4 Oleate. This is our emulsifier, and this is the clever part of the formula that makes the oil turn into a milk when it hits the bath water. Now, if you've never used an emulsifier before, don't worry. It's not a scary chemical. Polyglyceryl-4 Oleate is derived from plant oils and glycerin. It's a gentle, skin-friendly ingredient that helps oil and water mix beautifully, and it's what gives this bath oil its spa-like transformation. It's quite thick, so you'll need to carefully pour it into the beaker. And you can buy it from specialist cosmetic ingredient suppliers who sell it in small quantities all over the world. So it is easy to get hold of if you're just making a few bottles at home. We'll also list a few recommended suppliers on the blog post that goes with this video. It's all linked below. Next, we're going to add 25 grams of plum oil. This one is a personal favourite. It has a lovely light golden colour and a subtle, natural, marzipan-like aroma that adds sophistication to the final blend. It's rich in antioxidants and it gives the bath oil a beautifully silky texture on the skin. Now we're going to add our essential oils. 2.5 grams of Bergamot essential oil, which has a lovely earthy citrus fragrance. Then we're adding 1.25 grams of Lavender essential oil, which smells so calming and floral. It's gorgeous. And then finally, we're going to add in 1.25 grams of Ylang-Ylang essential oil, which has gorgeous, rich, sweet floral aromas. As you add these essential oils into your blend, just take a moment to smell that layered fragrance. It's calming, it's luxurious, it's exactly what you want in a bath product. And most importantly, these essential oils will now disperse when added to the bath, rather than floating on top of the water where they could sensitize your skin like you might get from a fairly basic bath oil. Next, we're going to add 2.5 grams of vitamin E. This thick, amber-coloured antioxidant doesn't just help keep your formula fresh for longer, it also brings extra skin conditioning benefits. The vitamin E is rich and sticky, which is why we're only using a small amount. Now, we've got almost all the ingredients together, so let's give it all a quick stir with a mini whisk. Our bath oil has already taken on a beautiful sunshine yellow colour and it smells heavenly. But we are not finished yet. Oh no, because now it's time to add the showstopper. We're going to add 0.5 gram of Gromwell extract. This is a plant that's been cultivated in Japan for over 1,000 years and it's used in herbal medicine and in dyes. Just look at that rich, vivid red. It's incredibly potent. A little goes a very long way. So be careful when you measure it, as it can stain surfaces. And wear gloves, as no one wants red fingers. But once it's in, it will give your bath oil that striking, natural cherry red hue that looks so elegant in the bottle and in the water. Now give everything a gentle but thorough stir, watching the colours and the textures blend into one glossy, vibrant, luxurious bath oil. This is the moment where it all comes together, and it's one of the most satisfying parts of the whole process. Now, Gromwell root extract is a little bit specialist, so it might not be easy to get a hold of where you live, but don't worry, you can also just leave it out. Or you could replace it with a small amount of blue tansy essential oil, or orange sea buckthorn oil, or red buriti fruit oil, all of which would also give wonderful colours to your bath oil. So let's now pour this mixture into its final container. We've got these beautiful curved glass apothecary bottles which are transparent, so you'll be able to see the colour of the bath oil. Imagine how amazing this will look on display in your bathroom. It's aromatic, it's colourful, it's truly luxurious. Now let's test it out. Welcome to my bathroom. Don't worry though, I'm not planning on getting in the bath here on YouTube, but I've run a bath with a small amount of water into it. Now I'm going to pour some of our bath oil into it to show you what happens. So let's watch the magic happen as I pour it in. Now you can see that the rich, clear oil instantly transforms into a silky, milky soak. No oily skin sensitizing layer floating on top, just naturally dispersed, skin-loving ingredients for this wonderful bath oil. This bath oil is perfect for all skin types and makes a thoughtful, eye-catching gift, especially with that vibrant, festive colour. Package it up in a gorgeous bottle like this one, label it clearly, and you've got something to feel genuinely proud of sharing, or perhaps even turning into a business, like our tens of thousands of graduates at Formula Botanica. And don't forget, this formulation is fully customizable. You can experiment with different oils or essential oil blends to make it truly your own. Thank you for joining me while we made this luxurious blooming bath oil. I hope you're feeling inspired to try it yourself and you see how professional quality handmade skincare can be. If you want to give it a go, you can find the full blog post, the exact names of ingredients and their percentages, our supplier recommendations, and a free downloadable PDF with the recipe, all linked below. And if you're ready to take things further, why not join our free short formulation course? It's the perfect next step to start building your skills and confidence. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, keep following along on our formulation journey, and tell us in the comments what else you'd like to see us formulate. And remember, everyone can formulate. We all begin with just one formulation. And once you see how easy it is, you'll realise how simple it can be to make more. And then you could even share or sell them. And today you've seen how easy it is to take that first step. So until next time, happy formulating.